This changes everything for you as a new YouTuber, and it is your niche. What niche you pick can make or break your YouTube branding and your YouTube career altogether. Let's talk about what niche you're picking to brand yourself on YouTube. I've been to so many of your pages, and I know that a lot of you are doing vlogging, a lot of you are doing faceless channels, a lot of you are also doing YouTube help. But today, let's talk about which one of these niches are really going to bring in the money and are going to make the biggest impact to your wallet and to your brand. We're going to talk about evergreen content. Your niche has to be a niche that can allow you to produce what is called evergreen content. And evergreen content simply means that across generations, across time periods, this content is still relatable and still being searched. People are searching for the answers to these questions, no matter how old they are, no matter how old they get, what time of year it is, which century it is. And those topics are health, wealth, and relationships. No matter what is going on in the world, people are always concerned about how to maintain their health, their money, and their relationships. If you are not niched down within one of those topics, then that could be the reason why your YouTube channel is struggling. Now that you know the content that people are searching for on YouTube, the next thing that you need to do is teach them. You want to, like we talked about before, make bingeable content that will allow people to keep coming back to your channel and be taught about the topic. That is how you're going to turn your subscribers into long-term viewers. I know that you have heard other people say that subscribers are a graveyard because a lot of people subscribe and then they never return. But your subscriber count does not have to be a graveyard. Now, think of something like DIY. That's a teaching niche, but most people are not avid DIYers. So they may search up how to DIY something at home, and that'll be the last search that they do on DIY. So for the purpose of choosing your niche, even if you do DIY, you're going to want to niche that down under health, wealth, or relationships. So you're going to want to make your content about how doing DIY projects keeps you healthy, or how it makes you a side income, or how it keeps your relationship strong because it gives you and your partner a chance to work together. So you kind of understand how that goes. Your channel can still be on a topic that you love, but it needs to be niched down within those top 3 topics that people are constantly searching for on YouTube. Remember that above all, YouTube is a search engine. So you want to treat YouTube similar to the way that you use Google. YouTube is second only to Google as a search engine, but it's the perfect time for you to go ahead and succeed on YouTube. If you like this video, like this video. If you like me, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my next video on the top 5 niches that make millions on YouTube. Bye.